Meet the FRT90, a patent-pending forced reset trigger for your PS90 that stands in a class of its own. Built on extensive engineering and rigorous testing, it delivers a level of performance and innovation not found elsewhere on the market. This progression-style trigger features a 3-position selector, safe to lock the trigger, semi-auto only for a standard pull, and a forced reset mode that allows you to pull the trigger even further, delivering a rapid and reliable reset unlike anything else available. The kit includes a 17-4 stainless steel hammer and sear, a hard anodized 6061 aluminum selector as direct replacement for the factory parts, and an added 17-4 stainless steel forced reset component, or FRC for short. For your convenience, it also includes an installation jig to make setup straightforward. In short, you're getting a full premium upgrade kit that not only replaces your original parts, but adds a unique forced reset system, setting a new benchmark in quality and performance.